Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to calculate the R output of this transistor model. First we have to draw I'm going to draw the equivalent model of this one, then it's easy to solve. So let's go ahead and draw the equivalent model. The equivalent model will be like this. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. Here we will have a resistance and another resistance right here, and a current source, resistance, and a voltage source. Now let's go ahead and continue. Here the resistance will be RB, and here we are going to have another resistance, that is R51, and the voltage across the resistance is going to be V51. Current source is GM1 V51, and then the resistance across here is RO1, and the voltage source here is VT IT. The current through here is IT. Okay, now let's continue with this. Here I'm going to apply KCL. If I apply KCL, IT is going to be equivalent to GM1 V51 plus VT over RO1. Here V51 is equal to 0, so we can directly write IT is equal to VT over RO1. Therefore RO1 is equal to VT over IT. Okay, VT over IT, and VT over IT is the R out. So finally we can say R out is equal to RO1, and that's the final answer. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn electronics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.